last night shift, day 16, 17, I think. Anyways, we're arriving to Horta in the morning. We've done over 2 weeks on the open ocean. It's been an incredible journey and experience. And yeah, I'm excited to get there. That's it. Kind of melancholy about having the last night right now. Today was really chill. We were mainly focused on the water, so it wasn't very eventful other than that. But that's okay because we had a really good last couple of weeks. It is probably the darkest night of this entire trip. It's super foggy. I can't see a single star. The moon's not up yet. So yeah, we're just sailing into darkness, keeping our eyes on the radar, keeping my eyes on the radar, and we're motoring into Horta.
Good morning. We are only 13 miles from the island. We still have about 25 miles until we get to the port. We have to kind of go around a little bit, but 13 miles and I still can't see it. I woke up expecting to be able to see the island, but we're almost there. I see a boat! There's a boat! There's a boat! There's a boat! Huh. I guess you have to take my word for it. There's a sailboat. That's exciting. They're too far away. I can just barely see a sail. You might be asking, oh, I see land! Land! There it is. It just came out of the clouds. Oh my gosh! Jade! Ayana! Land ho!
No way!
Jade! Jade! Land ho! There's land!
No!
Good morning! And a sailboat. Oh, come look! The clouds just like parted and mountains.
Yay! Where?
What? Oh, this right here. Look over here.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness.
Wow!
We're almost there, guys.
Wow! How much further?
Only a couple hours.
Yay! Hugs! Hugs!
Yay!
We did it!
Woot! And we're not even taking on water.
That's a plus.
Yeah. Yeah, update on that is we left the bilge pockets all open so we could monitor, and there's only a teeny tiny bit of water in one of the pockets, which means we could be taking on water still, but more likely it's just that water is making its way from different little channels and stuff out. That's the most likely. Yeah. Give me my dingo boy. Come on. I just went and woke up Jade and Ayana because this island is just cool, and I don't want them to miss kind of just this initial impression of what this island looks like. It is cool looking, guys. I am so excited to be here. I've never seen land like this. This is gorgeous. I am so excited for the haze to kind of burn off so we can see it clearly. So cool. You did it, dude!
You sailed an ocean!
Ocean cruising puppers. Look at the land!
Guys.
Dingo, land! Land! Can you smell it? It's right there. Good puppers.
Oh.
Tiny, get down. Good girl. We're all awake. Some of us more awake. Oh, Jade hasn't looked yet. Have you not? You saw it earlier though.
No, I came to amuse you. I don't have my glasses on.
Oh.
I have not
You
seen
didn't
it
see.
yet.
That's hilarious.
I had just laid down and barely started my sleep shift. I was so tired.
Aw.
And Brett's like, I wake up and he was so happy and I didn't want so I was like,
Well,
okay. And I'm like, yeah, I see the difference between the cloud and the mountain. Yeah, I can tell.
Well, you can tell now. Even
Yeah?
if you're tired.
Take
Yeah.
a look at this.
Take a gander.
Oh my gosh! Holy! Look at that one!
Yeah, straight ahead. That's another island. That's the next island over.
I wasn't expecting it to be so big!
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad I waited to look. You guys! Land frickin' how? Did we just cross a whole ocean, Ayana?
We just crossed.
We did it! Wow. Wow.
I'm glad that we showed up and it's as majestic as. It's more majestic than I could have thought. Like, it's amazing.
Maybe it is good that we didn't see it way in advance.
Yeah.
This thing right here, this part, like this island, this part, but then it's like,
There's like a bulb sticking out. There's like a Chinaman hat kind of thing.
yeah. Oh. You can see how big the mountain is even with this wide angle lens. That's amazing. I'm gonna go grab the zoom lens so you guys can experience this in the same way that we are experiencing this right now. Wow. Wow. Good job, baby.
You too. Proud of you. One last boat bite.
Let's just look overboard. We could swim just short from here now, probably.
You maybe could. Penny probably could. Diana still hasn't figured out how to put the camera on the mount. So only 18 days.
Backwards once again. It's only been 18 days. That's too good.
At least you're staying strong with your methods.
Dingo dog! I can't believe we just did this.
I don't know if we're gonna vlog much more today, honestly.
We're gonna be too busy. No, we are. I feel like I'm gonna want to capture all of them.
Family photo?
Family photo! I mean, if you can.
The chunky boy.
Okay, poor Dingo.
We're here. Oh, hello. Oh yeah. We did it. If you can't tell, we're excited because
Penny, back up.
this has been, I mean, I know we haven't had like the scariest or the craziest or anything, but we still crossed the freaking Atlantic Ocean and we're here. We did it.
So proud of us.
High five.
This is a huge,
Good boy.
huge.
Penny, high five. Penny.
This is a huge personal victory for me because in all of the years that Brett and I were saving up and like we're gonna sail the world, we're gonna live on a sailboat, we were talking the talk. During that entire period of time, I could not talk or even think about the ocean passages. Brett would always be like, I'm so excited for the ocean passages. Those are what I'm looking forward to the most. And I would be like, I'm gonna change the subject now. Every single time it would make me nauseated. I would be so scared to even fathom, to even entertain the idea of crossing an ocean. And I knew it was inevitable, but I just wasn't ready to consider the possibility of it for years. And then we got the boat, and then we went on our first passage and I was scared, and we went on our second passage and I was scared, and I just feel like I have conquered my personal fears on this boat over and over and over again until finally I just crossed the Atlantic Ocean and I wasn't even scared. How cool is that?
Unreal.
I wasn't even scared. We did it. Bring it in. Group hug.
Good girl, Penny.
Be part of the hug.
Good girl, Penny.
Dingo, we did it. My love, we did it. We did it.
Good boy. Good girl. Fast puppers.
I'm so excited.
Congratulations.
Thank you. You see that?
Congratulations, guys. Oh my God.
She said congratulations, Dan. Thank you.
Ooh, what is this?
Success smoothies.
Success smoothies.
Yeah.
I feel like you should like trademark that.
Should, right? I thought they were gonna be ready, but I actually want to add more of it.
Sunscreen.
Oh, smart.
I do think we should say goodbye to everybody that has been following us for this whole time.
Yeah, this is probably the end of the
They're
dailies.
gonna miss us.
Yeah.
We should check in and show them the island first.
Huh?
I said we can check in and show them the island first. A little bit.
A little bit.
I'm gonna miss them. I miss you guys.
Yeah. I feel like you've been with us for these past 18 days doing these dailies. We've been reading comments like crazy and you've been commenting like crazy, hanging out with us. It's been really, really cool. So, I'm not closing down the blog yet, but thank you everyone.
And congrats on everybody who just crossed the Atlantic Ocean with us.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys feel accomplished, like how we feel accomplished, but I hope you can at least feel the joy of it with us. This is pretty cool.
Really,
And we have
really
success
cool.
Smoothies.
Right? If you have smoothie stuff at home, go make yourself a success smoothie. That's hard to
Yes.
say.
And then tag us on
Success
Instagram. I wanna see
smoothie.
your photos. Success smoothies.
Is this another creamsicle?
Yep.
Yes.
Of course.
Extra cream.
Wow. Extra lot of it too.
That's a big accomplishment.
It is a big
Lots of
accomplishment.
success.
Lots of success.
Penny, you did a good job. You're a good girl.
Penny's the best girl ever.
Dingo, you did great too, buddy. Good boy.
You did really, really well.
I'm really proud of these puppers.
Me too. You guys are gonna get so many fun hiking trails. Yeah. So many beaches.
How crazy
So
that
much.
so many people followed us every single day while we did this. Like,
we've been like existing inside people's living rooms.
Thank you.
every day.
Penny, you got the zooms. She got the zooms.
I kind of have the zooms too, if I'm being honest. The zooms. Alright, cheers guys. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
to crossing an ocean.
To crossing an ocean. That's damn good.
Well done.
No, I basically said, I'll say it again.
Okay.
It won't be as sentimental. But I just said never, like, in my life did I think that one of my accomplishments would be sailing across an ocean in a 50-foot sailboat and only with two of my greatest friends. Like,
Pretty
how
cool.
crazy is that?
And Penny. And Penny. Yes.
I think that counted as one of her two greatest friends.
Yeah, I mean, I wasn't gonna name names.
Yeah.
Penny and Dingo.
Yeah, exactly. Brent and Jade were there too. It was cool.
Someone was just talking on the radio.
People.
There's other humans out
There's
there.
other humans.
Hey, they're speaking English. That's helpful.
Did we tell you we hit a almost fully submerged barrel on the way?
Jade mentioned that we just hit a barrel. Yeah.
We crossed the whole ocean without hitting anything at all.
That we know of.
Once we got to land. So we were just saying that we wish we knew what time it was in Portugal, and we can't see the sun, so we can't even gauge it that way. But I have the perfect thing for that.
But do I have a solution for you?
Well, this is awkward. I lost my Icelandic spar.
This is awkward.
Oh my gosh. I lost my Icelandic spar. Where'd it go?
It's hopeless. We don't know where the sun is.
The one opportunity I have to use it, I have no idea where it is. I found it, I found it. Like the true Vikings that we are, we're gonna use this to figure out what time it is.
Okay.
Where did you get that?
Etsy.
Straight from Iceland.
Straight from Iceland. It's a little bit of a cheat code because I can clearly see where the sun is.
I mean, doesn't pick up in the camera at all.
Well, there's supposed to be 2 lines that go through it, and then when the lines align together is when you are in line with the sun.
Penny smells land. She's over there sniffing the air. Do you smell the land? Oh, that's so cute.
I would say it's about
Maybe like 10:30.
You mean like what our phones say?
Yeah. I feel like how I felt finals week back in school. Like I feel like I'm back in school and it's finals week and I'm staying up all night and I'm working hard and I'm doing my work and I'm writing these essays. But today's the last final and then I'm gonna be done and I like have that anticipation. And what I'm referring to is doing these daily vlogs. Like it's just been like we've been hustling because it's finals week. It's like how it feels. Very
Yeah. You guys have been
Reminiscent.
absolutely killing it with these vlogs.
but I'm so excited to not.
Yeah.
Like it's been amazing and I no regrets. Like I'm so glad that we did it. I'm also so glad that after tonight I am going to sleep 8 hours straight. Oh, that's gonna be good. Maybe 10 hours.
Yeah, because it's really been cutting into your to your sleep time because we film all day and you guys don't really touch like editing. If anything, you're just like finishing it up in the morning. And then when your night shift starts, you guys start editing. You start working like, and sometimes I'm sure you guys are foregoing time. Oh, look at that! I think she knows. Come here. Did she just jump sideways? You levitated.
I see cars.
What?
I love all the orange roofs.
We're cutting closer to these cliffs as we get closer to the marina, and everything's just getting clear and crisp. It is so cool.
It's like the fog just lifted.
Yeah, I think we're just close enough that the fog isn't having an effect. There's a cave right here. You probably won't be able to see it. This feels like a different world.
Look at all the seabirds on the side of the cliff. You see the white specks?
Yeah, I don't know if this will be able to see it, but yeah, the entire cliff face is just covered. All this cliff right here is just covered in seabirds flying up and down. Hey, we are getting ready to anchor. Or sorry, not to anchor, we're getting ready to dock. So Jade and Ayana are putting out lines and fenders, and I am just navigating us in. We're about to go through, they have like a really nice seawall kind of breakwater for us to go in and around, and so it's a little rolly out here, but I suspect that as soon as we make the turn into the bay, that it's just going to be flat. So I'm very happy about that. So it looks like a very nice, very solid seawall. Pretty cool.
That fender is looking a little sad.
A little limp.
A little limp. Yeah. It's used to being full of hot air.
Do you know where the pump is? We could pump it up.
idea.
Okay.
So just don't crash into the dock.
Yeah, sure. Yep.
Stop.
We made it.
We made it.
We're there.
100%.
I feel like anchoring is not as exciting as pulling up and seeing the land.
It's really not. But now we'll get to do our, first walk on land under more controlled circumstances.
Yes.
True.
I think that bell is ringing to welcome us to Horta. It's actually saying it's noon. We got here right at noon. Anchor set, we're gonna launch the dinghy and dinghy in. I think we're able to go in via dinghy. The customs dock is full, so if they tell us we have to bring the boat in, then we will. But we're gonna attempt to go with the dinghy first. Wish us luck.
I mean, that was so greased, I didn't have a chance to film it.
I know.
What?
I tried to grab the camera as fast as I could, but you guys are quick.
That wasn't a diss on you. I was so proud. I said that was so greased that Ayana didn't even have a chance to grab the camera.
Oh.
Your West Coast lingo.
Greased.
Yeah.
Grease light.
Grease.
That's the thing you guys say.
Definitely not.
Grease, sweet grease. It was smooth.
Yeah, I get the reference, but
Stop.
Not so bad? A little bit bad, but
Not bad.
cool. While you get the fuel and stuff, I'll go get all of our paperwork.
Okay.
The boat registration. I've got our 3 passports and the dock paperwork. That's all we need, right?
Sounds good to me.
Q flags up. And Dingo is ready to go. You have to wait on the boat till we check in and then we'll come back for you, I promise. He's gonna be devastated, but it's only for a couple minutes. Ayana's ready to do her pirate walk.
I'm fully taking this as a challenge. Like, I'm not wobbling at all. Here I go again.
Let's do it. You got paperwork?
Passports. Got Ayana. We got Brett. We've launched the dinghy. Brett already did a test run. Let's go. Ooh, you pumped it up real nice.
Grab that line. That stern shower's on. That leaks.
It also leaks fresh water.
I know, but it would wash all the salt.
You look so beautiful with the European backdrop.
Thank
It suits you.
Does it suit me?
Absolutely.
I feel suited. I feel suited. That's a lot of fuel cans
You're
on the side of
definitely
that
my
boat.
suitor.
Yeah. Jade, give me your.
All right.
Give me the camera.
It does feel a little wobbly.
You weren't supposed to go yet.
Walk the line.
No problem. Let's see you.
No problem.
Easy peasy.
No problem.
Okay. We are not going to film in here, but we'll let you know how it goes afterwards. Cobblestones.
Yeah.
Is that good?
You're gonna get us in trouble for public intoxication.
It was too much that time.
That was too much.
One more.
And you gotta say, but why is the rum gone?
But why is the rum gone?
Nailed it. Brett was just saying, do you guys feel weird?
My legs are like jello-y.
Walking?
Yeah.
Yeah, my knees are a little bit knobbly.
Mine like my quads.
Wobbly.
I feel it in my quads. My knees.
I feel it in my knees. My knees feel loose.
I guess you like if you stand still, maybe you'll feel like you're still rocking.
Yeah, close your
But
eyes.
you're not.
Definitely.
Pretty solid.
I feel jolted with every step.
Portugal? In the Azores?
Yeah.
We sailed here.
Look at the little cafe.
Look at that little.
This is so wonderful.
There's so much history and love and just stories here. Like each square is somebody who's just done what we just did.
Yeah, this is a monumental
the-
place,
Yeah.
for sure.
It's like a scrapbook of sailors.
Look at this. A scrapbook of sailors, I like that. I like that very much.
Look at this. They epoxy it down.
Yes,
Oh,
they epoxied the
nice.
shirt in. That's awesome.
That was not going anywhere. Covered up somebody's. Should we do that?
We were trying to think about how we could get creative with it. You want to tell them your idea?
Honestly, maybe we should do something like that.
Oh,
Like
it's bring a
fiberglass it down.
projector out and the jackery and just tell Ayana to hold still. Holding the projector will trace something nice.
Should have been keeping up with your squats.
I think we did pretty good with the praise. That's okay.
Did you find it?
Hello.
Well, fancy seeing you here.
Someone filming. Someone wants to record that you guys beat us.
You guys
guys
look
blew by us
really
last night.
good for being
I know. I updated your picture. I was like, oh, they're behind us.
job,
By like 5 miles.
Proud of you guys. Hi, good to see you.
Congratulations.
Well, I just got done checking us all in. We are officially welcomed into Portugal. We're officially here. Everyone's stamped, all good to go. And the only one that was here to greet me was Penny. Everyone else is asleep, not even grateful for all my hard work.
Are we checked in?
Oh, sure. We're all checked. We're all checked in. We did it. Now we can say we officially crossed the Atlantic. We officially checked into Europe. We're here. We're there. We're there.
Okie doke. It is kind of insane. Prop you up like that. It's kind of crazy. How long it's been since I have worn a proper pair of pants. But now that we're here, we got here just in time before this rain. The wind's about to start picking up. And we're going to go out and do what sailors do when they get into port. We've got... What did you say?
Said we're gonna find the
We're gonna find the rum. Our friends from France. Golden Retriever. Our friends from France that also have a dog, they made it here. They beat us by like 6 hours, and then we got in, and then Adventure Locker, we'll link their socials. They got in about like an hour after us. And so yeah, huge party. We all just got here, and so we're all gonna go hang out and swap stories and catch up. And then there's also a few different boats that we met in Bermuda that left before us, like a week before us, and so they'll have a different weather window that they can tell us about. And yeah, super exciting. So we're gonna go meet up with all of them, which means we need to get dressed for our first night on the European town. And I need to learn some Portuguese words. These are Space Saver bags from Amazon. So this is my review, apparently. They all are still suctioned. And I'm assuming if they kept air out, they also kept water out. Also use Space Saver bags for Penny's puppy food, which is why she came running when I opened it. She's like, I know that sound. That sounds delicious. We're going with jeans. Problem is, I'm not confident they're gonna fit.
Did you talk about how dry that bilge is, though?
The bilge is totally dry. We're no longer taking on any water.
Thanks.
The through holes are shut, so I shut a total of 7 through holes, and no more water came in after I shut the through holes, which means that that the leak is from one of those, so it narrows it down significantly.
That her and her girlfriend get together every night and do watch parties to watch them.
They do not.
Yeah.
They do not.
Yeah, and she's like a young girl. It's so cute.
That's
I
awesome.
know, like, how awesome is that?
I can't believe you guys have been watching our videos every single day.
So great.
Huh.
It made me feel good.
Thanks
I'm
for
like,
watching,
wow,
guys.
I've never done watch parties for like Game of Thrones.
I'm gonna get ready. Am I a Willy Wonka kid? Absolutely I am.
About it.
Alright, so they're a little tight. Like, they're pretty tight.
Cakey.
These are standing on the pants.
I'm gonna have to be a little careful with my rum. Otherwise I'm gonna end up with split pants tonight. This is the best I've got until I buy all new clothes for my European summer, because I have gained just enough weight that none of my clothes fit. I think Ayana and I are gonna go shopping soon.
Boy.
I'm super excited. I have gained a nice healthy glow, but it does mean I'm no longer a 00.
I think it looks good.
I think it might look I think we might add some holes.
Cakey.
I don't know what that means. Does it mean too tight?
Comment in the below if you know what cakey means.
Let's not go that route in the comment section. Do you want to go? Like what? Land collars? What is this? They're so excited. Oh, yeah. That's so cute.
Let's see if I bring it to you. Come on. Okay.
Can't bite it. Let go. Wait. Ready? Let's go on a walk!
He's like, I'm in the dinghy, Ma. I'll be in the dinghy.
Look at this. Euros. Not the kind you eat. Okay.
What?
Like
Euros.
that's probably not actually how you say it. Like a Greek euro. Like the
Euro?
yeah, euro.
Gyro?
Gyro. Okay.
It's a euro.
I've actually never seen a euro in real life. I know, silly, because it's a huge currency in this world, but this is my first time to Europe. And look how cute and stubby they are. All the Europeans are like, oh my gosh, Jade, stop.
Dog walking time.
Look at this.
That is a heck of a dog walking outfit.
Pants.
Pants!
My only jeans that I own.
Amazing.
And obviously they're
You
flames.
guys,
Obviously.
are you serious?
What?
We're talking about clothes. We're walking the dogs. Tina's out there
Oh.
sobbing.
Sorry.
You're right. You're from the 90s. Look at this 90s outfit.
Is it 90s? Little 70s, little 90s, little all over the place.
Early 2000s.
think
This
that
is like
basically
1404.
I just don't live in this generation.
She's just sitting in the rain.
Where to go? It's Mina!
How you doing?
You're so cute.
Yeah.
Can you go come?
Is it okay for you to come on board for champagne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll take the dogs home.
Bye, Mina. She's so cute. Look at all of these. It's a cool one.
So it turns out the jeans were impractical.
We decided to opt for sailor chic instead for our night on the town because it is soggy out there.
I like it.
All right, let's go have some fun.
That was good! Great!
So we're hitting over 40 knots, more than that, like 45 on gusts.
Taking down the solar panels. It's like all hands on deck on all the boats in this anchorage right now because this is just picking up like crazy.
Turns out that storm that was coming, which is why we kind of rushed to get here and get anchored, ended up puffing up pretty big. Someone was on watch for about 24 hours as soon as we got here because boats were dragging left and right. Our bimini ripped. We almost lost a solar panel. It was hectic. And so, needless to say, there was no editing. There was no editing going on. It was pretty much someone's watching. 1, 2, or 3 of us are going to help other boats. It was kind of nuts. So you'll see that footage soon, but we wanted to get you this footage so that you all know that we're here, because we realize that a lot of you have been watching these videos literally as soon as they come out, and we cannot thank you enough for all the support and love and comments and everything that you have been giving us. So thank you so much for sticking with us along this passage, for being here, and welcome to Horta. We are here and we're loving it, and we will show you more soon, but we just wanted to get you this video sooner than later.
Guys, we made it.
We're here.
We wanted you guys to be able to have the satisfaction and accomplishment of making it here, and we didn't want you to have to wait. So yeah.
So we love you. Thank you for sticking around, and there are more videos coming.
But not daily videos.
Nope, we're done with the dailies for now.
We need some sleep. But thank you guys for being here.